Most plumbers clock out and go home. Smart plumbers clock out, grab their pipe wrench, and go get paid again.
Wait a minute!
I'm talking $500 to $2,000 a month in after-hour cash. Same tools in your truck, same master plumber license, same skills.
Finally!
Just used after 5 p.m. If you clicked on this video, you want to know how plumbers are stacking serious side money. I'm giving you 10 cash jobs with real prices. No fluff, no theory, just jobs, the money, and how to get started. Quick hitters, money makers, and big money jobs. And job number 9, that's the one that can pay you $800 to $3,000 in a single evening. I've spent over 30 years in blue-collar work, union carpenter, project manager, and UAW inspector, and I've watched plumbers build side income that turned into full businesses. It always starts the same way, one call after hours. And at the end, I'm going to show you the monthly math, because when you see what 2 or 3 jobs a week adds up to over a year, that number changes everything. Let's start with the bread and butter, quick hitters, 30 minutes to an hour, $75 to $400, you're in and out. Job 1, faucet replacement. Kitchen or bathroom, $175 to $400. Most take 30 to 45 minutes, and homeowners usually buy the faucet. You install it, copper lines, brass fittings, clean money. Job 2, toilet repair or replacement. Running toilet, broken flapper, bad fill valve, $75 to $200 for repairs. A full toilet swap, $200 to $500. Every homeowner has a toilet problem eventually. This call never stops ringing. Job number 3, drain cleaning and leak detection. Clogged kitchen sink, slow bathroom drain, backed up shower, PVC drain issues, $100 to $300. Bring your snake, in 20 minutes, cash in hand. Job 4, shut-off valve replacement and garbage disposal work. $75 to $200 for valve swaps. $200 to $400 for disposal installs. It takes about 30 minutes if you know what you're doing, and you do. The real truth, guys, is every one of these jobs uses parts that cost $10 to $75. Your labor is the product. And at $100 to $400 for 30 to 60 minutes, your effective hourly rate blows past your day job usually. Now, the mid-tier work, money makers, 1 to 2 hours, $200 to $800. This is where the real stacking starts. Job number 5, outdoor hose bib repair or replacement, $150 to $350. Seasonal demand is huge. Every spring, homeowners discover frozen, cracked, or leaking hose bibs from winter. Easy fix, steady work, good money. Full install, $650 to $1,800. Repair work, $200 to $800. Every basement with water issue needs this. And homeowners panic when their sump pump dies. Panic means they pay full price. No negotiating. Job 7, water filtration system install and backflow preventer testing. Under sink or whole house filtration. Under sink, $200 to $800. Whole house, $1,000 to $3,000. Backflow testing, $150 to $300. This one's growing fast. More homeowners want clean water, and most don't know how to install the system they just bought on Amazon, and that's where you come in. Buckle up, because the next 3 jobs are the big money. One call, one evening, potentially your entire week's side hustle income in a single job. And this is why plumbing is one of the best trades in America right now. Where else can you clock out and go make $200 to $3,500 the same evening using the skills you already have? That's what Course Careers is built for, helping people break into high-paying careers. No degree, no debt. There's a free intro course to see if it's a good fit. The link's down in the description. Check it out. Now, the big money jobs, so let's go. These are the jobs that separate plumbers making a few hundred extra from plumbers adding $2,000 a month. Job number 8, water heater flush and maintenance, $150 to $300 per unit. Takes about an hour depending on how good you are. Most homeowners never flush their water heater. Sediment builds up. Anno rod deteriorates and efficiency drops. You offer a simple maintenance service. Charge $150 to $300. But here's the real play. You build a list of recurring customers. 10 houses a month at $200 each. That's $2,000 a month from one service. It's predictable and it's reoccurring, and it's the closest thing to passive income a plumber can get. Job number 9, water heater replacement, tank or tankless, $800 to $3,500. Tank water heater install, $800 to $1,800. Tankless, $1,500 to $3,500. It's one job, one evening, potentially $3,500 in your pocket. Water heaters fail constantly. Average lifespan is 8 to 12 years. Millions of water heaters in America right now are past their expiration date. Every one of them is a future call. Let me say that again. One water heater replacement on a Saturday morning, $1,500 to $3,500. That's what some people make in a week at their day job. You made it before lunch. Job number 10, rental property and senior citizen plumbing contracts. $100 to $300 per visit. Inspections and minor repairs. This isn't the biggest single payout, but it's the highest value play on the list because landlords in multiple units need a plumber on call. Senior homeowners need someone they can trust. Build a list of 10 to 15 recurring clients. That's $1,000 to $3,000 a month in predictable income. They call you first every time. You become their plumber, and their plumber is the first step to owning your own plumbing business someday. And here's what I've realized over the years, guys. The plumbers making the most after hours aren't chasing the biggest single job. They're building a customer base that calls them every month. That's not a side hustle. That's a pipeline to level 6 business ownership that I have in my video right here. So that's 10 jobs. Now let me show you how to run this the right way. First, trip minimum, $100 to $150 just to show up. Covers your gas, your time, and makes every call worth it. Second, materials. Have the homeowners buy the parts or add a little markup when you buy them. Your value is your license and your labor. Third, stay legal. Pull building permits when required. Carry liability insurance. Use simple invoices. Protect your journeyman or master plumber license at all expenses. It's your most valuable asset. Fourth, find customers. Nextdoor is gold. Facebook neighborhood groups, they're killer. And word of mouth is even better. One happy homeowner tells 3 neighbors. And 3 neighbors, they tell 10. Within a few months, you're turning down work. So check it out, guys. The plumbers who treat side work like a business, trip minimums, clean invoices, growing customers lists, those are the guys who woke up one day and realized they accidentally built a company. And that's level 6 on the blue collar wealth ladder I mentioned earlier. So let's do the math real quick. 3 jobs a week, that's conservative. 1 quick hitter at $150. 1 mid-tier at $400. 1 bigger job at $500. That's $1,050 a week. Times 4, $4,200 a month. On the low end, 2 small jobs a week at $150 to $300 each. That's still $1,200 to $2,400 a month. $14,000 to $28,000 a year. And that, of course, is on top of your day job, on top of your benefits, and on top of the proposed no tax on overtime legislation that just passed. A plumber doing side work 2 to 3 evenings a week can add $14,000 to $28,000 a year if you get out there. Some guys doing 4 to 5 jobs a week are clearing $30,000 or more. That's a truck payment, a down payment on a house, seed money for your own plumbing business someday in the near future if you want. 10 cash jobs, $75,000 to $3,500 each. 30 minutes to 3 hours, an extra $500 to $2,000 or more per month. Same tools, same master plumber or journeyman license, same skills, just used after 5 p.m. Your day job pays the bills, your after work builds the wealth. So picture this, 6 months from now, an extra $10,000 in the bank, a list of repeat customers who call you first, your side hustle turning into the foundation of your own plumbing business. Not because you work more hours, because you use the license you already have. But knowing that jobs exist is just step 1. The real question is, how do you get your first customers and which jobs give you the fastest return? I break all of that down here on JV Charles TV. 3 times a week we put out videos. Check out the 2 videos I recommend on this end screen. Make sure and subscribe and hit that notification bell, guys. I'm JV Charles, and I'll see you on the next one.